Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Glow Recipe Plump Plump Hyaluronic Serum, which looks like this. Glow Recipe very generously sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you on this product. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. Glow Recipe describes this as a silky water gel texture, oil-free hydrating serum to plump with plum and 5 different weights of hyaluronic acid to hydrate and visibly plump the different layers of your skin. You can find this at Sephora and glowrecipe.com. A 1 ounce unit of this serum retails for $42. Glow Recipe suggests that you use 1 to 2 pumps over slightly damp skin until fully absorbed. It is important that you apply this on damp skin to create a moist environment, to attract moisture to the skin and increase your skin's hydration. If you live in a drier climate or are exposed to air conditioning on the daily, it is imperative that you seal everything in with a moisturizer to minimize transepidermal water loss. You also want to store this in a cool, dry place and keep it away from direct light. This formula contains 3 different types of plum that help to hydrate the skin instantly and over time. Kakadu plum contains a high concentration of vitamin C that helps to brighten the skin and provide it with antioxidant properties. Illawarra plum contains a high concentration of thocyanins, which contain both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They're also thought to protect the skin from UV damage. Burdekin plum also contains minerals such as magnesium, calcium, zinc, and potassium. I love that this serum also includes 5 different weights of hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump the different layers of the skin. We see tremella hyaluronic acid that is obtained from tremella mushroom to help reduce moisture loss on the skin's surface. We also see sodium hyaluronate, the salt form of hyaluronic acid, which I often talk about on this channel. This is readily absorbed by the skin and has a much smaller molecular size than hyaluronic acid itself. Flash fill hyaluronic acid is the next generation of hyaluronic acid that improves bioavailability of hyaluronic acid in the skin. This breaks down as we age, as does a number of things, causing fine lines and wrinkles. This also lasts much longer in the skin. Within this formula, we also see vegan collagen and silk protein to strengthen your skin's protective barrier and further hydrate the skin. We also see glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, however, is listed at the very bottom of the ingredients list, and I didn't really see a ton of exfoliation or resurfacing from the glycolic acid. So I'm assuming that this was included in the formula just to help the penetration of hyaluronic acid within the skin. I first used this serum on July 26th and used it with the La Roche-Posay thermal spring water, which you saw in the demo here today. And I noted that the product felt nice. The serum was lightweight and not sticky. Even after drying, I felt that it was hydrating. I didn't detect a scent, and the following day I noted that I woke up with a glow. My skin felt nourished and balanced, just as it does right now. I do have the serum on over the skin under the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. A review on this is coming up soon, so stay tuned. On July 30th, I noted that it worked very well over the Glow Recipe Vitamin C Serum and the Tower 28 SPF Foundation. I will link my review to the Glow Recipe Vitamin C Serum up above in case you're looking to add a vitamin C serum to your daily routine. I also noted that this serum has helped to balance and hydrate my skin, as I have still been using my prescription strength tretinoin. On August 10th, I noted that I didn't think, controversial, that this is as good as the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis or Farmacy's Hydrating Serum. My skin felt nice with application, and I like that it does contain a small percentage or a small amount of glycolic acid. Too little to notice, again, any exfoliation or irritation. I think that this definitely works best on normal oily skin dealing with dehydration. This works excellently as a hydrator during summer months, but it was or did not feel as good as the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis or the Farmacy Feeling Good. I felt that it comforts my skin, but I didn't necessarily feel my skin plump as it does with Farmacy's Feeling Good Hydrating Serum. I will note, however, that I did write this on August 10th, and today, as I tested this or I did the demo, I actually kind of felt slight plumping, that hydration, that soothing, that comfort as I applied the product over the skin. Sometimes when I write my notes, I'm doing it as I'm getting ready for work. So I will notice some things and sometimes I will just not notice others. So today, as I applied the product over the skin during the demo, I did feel a plumping to the skin and I noted more of a glow to the skin. So that was really nice. I'd say that, however, the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis is perfect for those dealing with dry, chapped, irritated, perhaps a compromised barrier. I will link my review to the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Serum up above. To repeat, I think that that is better for dry, chapped, irritated, or a compromised barrier. The Farmacy Feeling Good Serum, I would say, is better suited for dehydrated, dry, dull, aging skin. I think that, again, when I wrote this, I can feel the plump almost immediately. I would say that that is best for all skin types looking to hydrate the skin and comfort the skin. I don't think either the Farmacy or the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum will soothe or calm irritation as well as the Summer Friday Serum, but I think it does have some soothing and calming properties. I will link my review to the Farmacy Feeling Good Serum up above in case you'd like to kind of compare and contrast thoughts and opinions. I will note that around this time of year, my skin is zapped of its moisture from the environment. We have the aircon running at work, we have it running here, and I am running it in the car more than I used to. I feel like when I was younger, I would drive with my windows down, and now I just drive with my windows up all of the time. I'm not sure if it's like an aging thing or if it's like an anxiety driven thing, but I always drive with my windows up. And right now that it is like 90 degrees, I, have the air conditioning running all day, every day. So that definitely zaps the moisture from my skin. And usually I don't really pay attention to hydrating serums as much as I have in the last couple of months. So I have noticed that this has helped to keep my skin from making it feel flaky, itchy, or dehydrated. I haven't felt neither of those things while using this product at night and during my daytime routine over their vitamin C serum. So if your skin is heavily impacted, all skin is, by its environment, and you live in a drier climate, I feel like this will work for you as it has for me. I've touched base on other hydrating serums that I have used in the past, and I will say that I can use this year round. Compared to the Summer Fridays serum, I feel like I only really enjoyed that one because my barrier had become so compromised at the time and my skin became severely dehydrated and irritated that it worked very well to soothe and calm my skin in about 3 days. I don't really think that my skin would ever become that compromised again, but if it does, I would repurchase that serum. Again, the unit, I swear, is almost empty. And I really enjoy that serum. Even now, sometimes I will reach for that. Instead, say for example, Drunk Elephant's Protini Polypeptide Cream during the day, just because it's so hot and I don't want to apply a moisturizer over the skin. As far as Feeling Good by Farmacy, I feel that I can also reach for that any time of year. I feel like my skin doesn't need to be dry, chapped, or irritated or compromised for me to reach for that particular product. However, I do reach for that whenever I use either Honeymoon Glow or their Vitamin A serum. I will link my review to that serum up above in case you're interested in some anti-aging goodness. As far as retail pricing within those 3 products, Summer Friday's Dream Oasis retails for $44. Farmacy's Feeling Good retails for $48. However, I do have a code with Farmacy, which is Nadia20. It saves you 20% off your purchase, making that $38.40. And this Glow Recipe retails for $42. From using this almost daily, sometimes twice a day, I've noticed hydrated, balanced skin free from environmental dehydration. I feel like this works very well with the Glow Recipe range, and this serum works very well under different SPFs. This worked beautifully under Protini Polypeptide Cream, Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Moisturizer, and the Summer Fridays oil, which I still love and use. I just cannot say enough good things about that oil. I feel like it's a must-have. And my favorite way to use this serum is at night. So I have been double cleansing with a balm. Then I use Drunk Elephant's Best Jelly. Then I will tone, and then I will apply this to dampen my skin. Then I'll go in and use 2 full pumps of this. I will bring this down all the way to like my chest area. Then I will apply 1 to 2 pumps of the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. Then I will go in with either a moisturizer or the Farmacy Niacinamide Mask. And then I will go in with the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 Facial Oil. That is my favorite way to use that. Again, include some eye products and lip products there as well. So I would recommend this to any skin type. You're dry, you're oily, I think that you would enjoy this. If you are also dealing with dehydration and the signs of aging, I feel like this gave my skin a very nice, lovely glow. So perhaps if you're dealing with some dullness as well, this is going to give you a nice, lovely glow. My pros here is that this pairs beautifully with the rest of the Glow Recipe range. I personally love pairing this with their Vitamin C Serum and the Ceramide Serum. Glow Recipe, I should mention, is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. This contains no drying alcohols, which is a major plus. I feel like this kept my skin feeling hydrated and protected from environmental dehydration. I like the price point, as I have seen other hydrating serums that contain different molecular hyaluronic acid weights, and they retail for well over $100. So I think that this serum hydrates the skin without breaking the bank. Cons. I scripted this before I, really did my demo here. So I will say that I didn't notice any plumping. So I'm deducting half a point for that. So I'm going to stick with that because it wasn't until today that I really noted a plumping effect on the skin. This contains a natural fragrance, so I'm not deducting a point for that. I like that this contains the different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, and I like that it does also contain some anti-aging and skin soothing ingredients. So I am rating this a 9.5 out of 10. Another big winner from Glow Recipe here on my book. Let me know if you have used this product by Glow Recipe in the comments down below. I have enjoyed reading your experiences with the products I have been reviewing lately in the comments. I feel like they really help the very small community we have going here. So thank you all so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. To create a moist with the rest of the Farmacy. What? Oh, no.